3, 2, 1. What's up, everyone?
What's up, people?
Today we're going to play what?
A long trip to a safari.
Okay, let's go. 3 people. Come on, come on, come on. Yes.
Let's go.
Welcome to our first video.
Let's go. We are berries. Smaku is the blackberry. I am the strawberry, and Vic is the blueberry.
Yeah, let's go. Blackberry, blackberry. Go blackberry.
Hi, blueberry.
Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, let's start. Okay, guys, come on, start this first journey of our life. Okay.
Oh, it is you. Oh, okay.
Okay,
Understand
not
this.
bad. I'm gonna just stay here, guys. I'm gonna just get the fuel. Hey, how come
Where's the
I
car?
can't get the fuel?
I didn't see the bro.
I can't get the fuel. I'm lagging. Oh no.
It's there. Can I drive it?
Okay.
Save the.
Okay, let's go. Wait, where's the fuel?
I put fuel, by the way.
Okay, let's
I
go,
also put.
guys.
DK, can you put fuel, please?
I don't know how.
Just
Actually, I don't know
put the
how.
fuel.
I don't know how. I don't know.
Let's get the fuel.
Let's go. Let me drive, man. Every time you drive, just get the get.
Blackberry, you sit down.
Wait, let me get the fuel. Let me get the fuel. There's
Let's
no
get
fuel.
our name.
There's no fuel. Okay. Okay, guys. Blackberry, blueberry, and strawberry. That's a gang name. Oh no, the apple. I forgot the apple. Never mind, man.
Oh,
Oh, let's get this fire scorpion. This is a. This is no, Isabella.
Don't leave the strawberry.
Yum, strawberry. I'm trying to run over it.
Did you just run over a scorpion, bro?
I'm trying. Guys, the only way you can
I
get...
don't think
Oh
you're
my god.
supposed to run over scorpions
You
these days.
we should run over. Oh my god, what is this? A lake?
Carabao. Yo, there's a carabao.
I'm lag. Oh my god. Okay, we're back, guys. Okay, let's go. African Carabao. Dali. Strawberry, dali. Hoy! Strawberry. Strawberry. Dali, strawberry. Ato sa lipang. Hoy, McQueen. Blackberry. Ay.
Blackberry is a real fruit.
Yeah.
Blackberry is a real fruit.
Yeah, it's like a blueberry, but it's black.
What was that?
Oh, there's a... What's that?
We need bones.
Okay, let's go, guys.
Let's kill the crocodile. We need bones.
Bro, what is flapping? It's flapping. Flapping, let's go. Oh my god, I'm fling. Guys, help. Baseball. It's a baseball bat. Get it. Papa. Oh my god. Nalupad.
Oh, kanina.
Come on, guys. Get some.
There's so much.
Yeah.
Oh, the bones.
What's inside? Oh, bandage. How can I get it?
I need it.
I don't know how to drop it.
I need the band-aid.
Here, there's another one.
I need the band-aid.
Oh.
I need the band-aid. Give me.
I don't know how to drop it.
Blueberry, give me the band-aid.
I don't know how to drop it.
Yeah, never mind. It's okay.
I can heal you.
Oh, I got banana.
Banana. Okay, guys, let's go.
McQueen, I think you should dress into color black because you're a blackberry.
Oh.
Yeah, you can be racist, bro.
Nah, they're not. Bro's not racist. Let's get the crocodile. Is that a crocodile?
It's real actually.
Yeah,
Let's get the carabao.
Let's get the African Carabao. It's time for Carabao. Okay, let's go. Hala! Hiya! Oh my god, help! Guys, help!
I'm dead.
Bang! Oh no. Can you give me some? I did almost all the work. You did.
Yeah, you did all the work. There's still more bones here. Blackberry get inside.
Blackberry, come on, hurry up. We have not all day.
I'm almost
Can someone
dead,
get a
Chow. I'm
flashlight
almost dead.
out? Can someone
Yeah,
get the
sure.
flashlight out? Isabella, get the flashlight. Paakan ka ga. Halas ka dira ron. Why is the snake in there? Mamatay ka. I'ma run over it. Just get the flashlight out. Get the flashlight out. Okay, there.
I have the flashlight.
Okay, good. Tayo man na.
Don't mind my shout earlier.
Guys, Isabella, oh my god, I ran over a mud scorpion. Oh my god, we have no almost no fuel. Oh my god. Don't, bro, we're going uphill, that's why. Wait. What happens if I stop driving? Oh. Makwan! 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 I cannot put it up. I can't put it up.
I called myself. Blackberry.
This is so steep. Guys, do not ask why you making that. Okay, Blackberry, go take your pee first.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, let's get the giraffe.
I will be in real life. I'll be in real life.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Oh, it doesn't harm you.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go far. Guys, we're going to run over this. How is it taking damage that fast?
He is.
Wait, let me go down. Oh, okay.
It's
Almost
doing
dead.
damage. It's getting damage.
Our car never breaks, man.
Ay, guning. Chun, guning.
Sige, glue ya. Does our car ever break? Because I feel that it will.
I don't know.
Bam! Oh my god.
Oh my god!
We killed the giraffe
No way!
with the car. Why? We got scammed.
Blueberry na disappeared. Both disappeared.
Because of Blueberry. Bro, was
What
it?
did you do? Why did you kill yourself?
Oh my god. Oh, there's a bull. There's two. Let's go. Oh my god. Isabella.
The car gonna get ringed. The car gonna get ringed.
Oh
That's
my-
a ring. Ah!
Can someone drive? Someone drive. Makwin, ikaw.
I'm almost dead.
I'm almost dead. Get the bull on your left. Go. On your left. Dili, right, left. Very good. Kayo ka. Very good kayo ka.
Oh my god, bro.
Let's get the other one. Makwin, ikaw gyapon drive. Get the other one.
Oh. There's nothing for me.
Yes, that's all yours. The other one is all yours. Go.
Yeah.
Oh, nasaman ka. You're going to the sapa. Boy, you're going to the sapa. Ako be.
I got reverse, bro.
You can right here.
Matutugtog na agad.
Oh, yan naman. Guys, the car can't reverse. Let's go. Oh, shoot. That's all mine. Come here. Giligsan si Makwin na pod. Makwin, kuha. Makwin, namatay ako. Naligsan. Naligsan, guys. Bro, Makwin.
Why is it so funny when the Carabao hit the car?
Yeah. Guys, in Filipino, it's called Carabao. Okay, let's go.
In America, it's called a bowl.
Yeah, be fancy, guys. There's a crocodile. Someone drive over the crocodile.
Nah, not me.
Someone, Makwin, you're the one. Baka. I need food, actually. I'm gonna eat this. Sabaga.
Guys, I'm a run.
Okay,
I'm a run over the crocodile.
Yeah,
How
go.
am I still low health? How am I still low health?
I don't know, man. I never. Oh, there's a top part. Come here.
You better give me the band-aid.
Oh, I have no more. McQueen's
Wala
dead.
ka din ang makrin.
Bala, madara McQueen, matay ka dara ay. Guys, we should speak English, not Spanish. Oh my god. The car! What did you do to my car? Oh, there.
There's too many animals.
Animal. Let me do it.
You're so brave.
Bang! Oh my god.
Uy, si Easy! Uy, si Easy! Tabang ikaw!
Mamatay na ko eh. Dili ko katabang. The local na patay mo dara. Guys, they're cooked guys. Where are they? Where are you? Where are you guys? Come here.
Si Makrin, dalaga!
Ah, bang! Isabella's dead.
Ay, 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 ay! Ay!
Isabella, get Isabella. Get Isabella. Guys, Isabella's dead. Oh no. Get
I
easy.
want to get Isabella!
Get strawberry. Get strawberry. How do I get her? How do I get her? We can't get her.
Get strawberry!
I can't. I'm eating
rotten
banana.
Strawberry.
That's the end for strawberry.
Bye-bye, strawberry.
Strawberry?
I'll miss you.
We'll miss you, okay?
You're blueberry.
You stupid.
that's her
You
last-
stupid.
Her last words is blueberry.
Okay, go there. We will come back for you. We promise. We come back for you.
Yeah.
Let's go, McQueen. We promise. Run over. Okay, the final goodbyes of Isabella. Okay, bye, strawberry. We'll come back for you. We promise. Don't leave.
Bury me.
Oh, we can't bury you. Just find somewhere. We need to go back for Isabella. Don't leave. Just watch our screen, okay, Isabella? So Isabella's down.
Moment. It's been raining.
Just stay there. We'll come back for you. We promise.
It's raining for me.
Also us. Oh, it's because of your funeral. It's because it's your funeral. It's gonna rain.
Yeah, stop timing, right?
Yeah.
Stop timing. Yo, matay! May hunter!
Oh, we need to go. We need to go. Run over. Come on. I'm going to buy a bandage. I'm gonna buy bandage. Guys, I buy the bandage, guys.
Can you come back for me?
Yeah, because I have two bandage in case of anyone dies. Yeah, I'm the healer.
I want
Okay.
food!
Hey.
I'm so hungry!
Go buy some.
I got... Bro! How much? How much? I got 13! I'm gonna die!
Here, McQueen. How do I get that for you? Give it.
I don't know, bro.
I will get the snake for you.
Oh.
Stay there.
And I have low health. No way, bro.
Wait. I'm gonna get the snake.
It stopped raining. Now it's time for me to go. 11.
Bro, I can't kill the snake. Ouch, I'm almost dead. Isabella, McQueen, help, McQueen. Here, McQueen. Oh my god. I need to kill this. I need to kill the Scorpio. Okay, here, get that, McQueen. Hurry up. Hapa. We need to go back for Isabella. I'm almost dead. Help! I'm almost dead. McQueen, help! The snake is chasing me. The snake is chasing me. Help!
Come here for my artificial sacrifice.
McQueen, no! Oh shoot! I need to revive McQueen.
Just go, leave us. Just go.
It's on you, man. I will go to Isabella. We'll come back for you. We'll come back for you, McQueen. Isabella. Guys, Blackberry
The snake
has
is
been
bringing
taken.
Guys, the snake is bringing me.
Oh nah. Oh nah, I crashed. I crashed the car. I crashed the car. Oh nah.
So many things are happening right now when I died.
Oh my god. I see McQueen's
It's
corpse.
bringing me.
Guys, I
The
need to
snake
get...
is bringing me.
Oh my god, there's an eagle. There's an eagle. It's about to get me. Oh, no, 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 no. Eagle, don't get me, eagle.
There's the eagle.
Guys, the eagle's
It's
chasing
crazy.
me.
No, there's the eagle.
The eagle's
It's crazy.
chasing
No,
me.
there's the eagle.
The eagle's chasing me, guys. Help. Where's
Go
Isabella?
back. I'm at the church thingy.
Girl, it's still here. Help, 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 help. Help me, mama. It's at my back. I cannot revive. I can't revive. No. Guys, help. I'm about to be taken by the animal. No. I'm about to be taken.
I think it's literally Gianna chasing you, bro. It's the eagle, bro. It's
There's a snake coming for me. There's a snake.
It's easy die, but things can happen.
Guys, I'm going to buy another bandage.
The snake is running for her life. The snake, guys, the snake is bringing me to somewhere.
Huh?
Hello? Yeah, it keeps bringing me with something, bro. I'm looking, bro. It keeps bringing me to somewhere.
I'm coming for you, McQueen. I'm getting the revenge.
Leave this to me, bro. Okay, bro.
Asaman ka? Where are you? I just bumped into a car and then the eagle and the snake is chasing me. I thought the eagle wanted the snake.
Stop. Be quiet. Imagine, bro. I died and then
Oh,
and then
McQueen's
you all
there.
go without me, and then you buy a band-aid, and then McQueen died and starving, and the snake brought him somewhere. I'm just gonna dance.
Oh my god, man. Oh my god, the eagle's right here. Oh my god. Get away from me. Bakla.
There's nothing chase the
Bakla.
eagle.
I'm trying to kill it. Bakla.
Vicky! Help!
The snake is getting
bringing me
you.
to somewhere.
Wait. Hey, no one's gonna... You're not taking him. That's my friend, man. Get out. Yeah, I'm cook. Get out.
The snake
Hey,
turn
Get out.
around.
Oh my. Get that. Eagle, get the snake, not me. Oh, McQueen. The snake is taking McQueen. Okay.
Yeah, I really wish I can walk. Go! Revive me!
I don't have a... Walk, McQueen, walk.
I can't walk!
I'm dying. I'm hungry.
Oh my god!
This is what happens if you let Isabella die, guys. This is what happens if you let Isabella die.
Don't choose her to die. I'm going in the jungle.
Don't choose her to die, man. Because...
Bro, I'm going too easy. I'm going backwards.
No!
It,
Guys,
I'm
come
going
on!
to a tree.
I'll be back for you guys. McQueen, stay here, McQueen. I'm going to find a med kit for you guys.
What are you doing? Easy. Yo, easy.
I promise to get you guys as soon as
Guys,
possible.
the wheels of the truck is...
I'm locked in. I'm trying to get my friends back. Come on.
The wheels of the truck is so wobbly, bro.
Oh my god, there's so many citizens. And the eagle is still chasing me. The snake is gone, but the eagle is not.
Bro! Easy, I'm going to you. I'm gonna revive you, bro.
How?
I'm going back. I'm walking there.
Oh no, I need to stop because I need food.
Ricky, I'm walking easy. I'm walking dead, bro.
The eagle's about to kill me.
Bro, me too.
Anya la. Okay, guys.
I'm
Okay.
walking dead. I think I'm going to you, bro. Me too.
Nah, guys. Just go. There's no thingy first. I see a house.
We're going backwards.
Guys, I see a
Hurry
house.
up. Or else we go to the lobby.
I have a house.
We're dead.
There's a mud scorpion. Oh, I'm so cooked. Okay. Guys, I'm dead. Actually, I'm dead. Guys, I'm dead. Actually.
Let's go to the lobby.
I'm actually dead. The bird is actually
Let's
killing me.
restart this.
It's Francis last dead.
Blueberry, blackberry. Let's restart.
Yeah. So guys, that will be the end of our video. Bye.
Yeah, bye.
Bleh.